myFICO Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the myFICO Credit Score Tool. Links to this product are available in the description below, so you can check it out after the video. Today, we'll cover its features, who it's designed for, and how it can benefit you in managing your credit profile effectively. myFICO is the official FICO credit score provider, giving users access to their most widely used credit scores. With this tool, you gain insights into your FICO scores across all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Unlike free credit tools, myFICO provides the exact scores lenders use, whether for mortgages, auto loans, or credit cards. This makes it especially valuable for anyone preparing for significant financial decisions. The platform offers detailed credit reports and a breakdown of what's impacting your scores. You can also monitor changes with real-time alerts for any significant updates to your credit, such as new accounts, inquiries, or changes in balances. This level of detail ensures you stay on top of your credit health and can act quickly if something unexpected occurs. A standout feature is the FICO Score Simulator, which lets you see how actions like paying off debt, missing payments, or opening new accounts could affect your scores. This tool is incredibly useful for planning your financial moves and avoiding mistakes that could harm your credit. myFICO is ideal for individuals who want precise, lender-used credit scores and those seeking a professional-grade tool for managing their credit. It's perfect for anyone applying for major loans, monitoring credit activity, or simply wanting to understand their financial health on a deeper level. In summary, myFICO Credit Score Tool is a premium choice for serious credit management, offering unmatched accuracy, comprehensive credit monitoring, and powerful simulators to help you make informed decisions. If you're committed to improving or protecting your credit score, myFICO is an excellent investment. Check the links in the description to explore it further and take control of your financial future.